You have no reason to be broke this year. You have no reason to remain poor this year. What if I told you that 1 year from now, you could either be glad you started YouTube today or still be saying, I wish I started last year? If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you keep waiting for the perfect time, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Anne, and you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and be sure to watch this video to the end, like this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain why starting your YouTube journey now, I mean today, is the smartest decision you can ever make, especially if you are a beginner like me. I am just beginning, so don't expect an expert advice. No hype, no fake promises, just real reasons why waiting is actually costing you more than you think. Point number one, there is no such thing as a perfect time. One of the biggest reasons people don't start YouTube is because they are waiting for the perfect time. They are waiting to get the better camera, to have better confidence or better editing skills. But here is the truth, the perfect time does not exist. It is important to start simple and start with what you have. I currently record my videos on my phone. I don't have any sophisticated equipment. I got this my microphone on AliExpress and it's been working perfectly for me. I can actually record without the microphone, but since I'm in a little bit noisy environment, I use my microphone to block every background noises. So like I said, you don't need any sophisticated gadgets or a special studio before you can start creating content on YouTube. Every successful YouTuber you admire today started with bad videos, low confidence, and even very few views. You don't get ready before you start, you actually get ready by starting. Point number two, you get better with time, not with thinking. YouTube is a skill. Speaking on camera, storytelling, editing, and even confidence, this only improve with practice. The sooner you start making your videos, the sooner you start creating content, the sooner you improve. And the longer you wait, the more experience you delay. If you don't create content often, you may never improve. Starting now, I mean starting today, and I mean starting this very moment, means that 6 months from today, you'll already be ahead of someone who is still thinking and planning. Point number three, you don't want to miss it. It is very important to state here that YouTube actually rewards consistency and not perfection. I wish I knew this earlier when I created my channel about a year ago. I would have been posting content more consistently, and maybe by now I would have monetized my channel and be reaping the fruits of creating content on YouTube. But it is never too late to start. So YouTube doesn't reward perfect creators, it instead rewards consistent creators. The algorithm learns from your content over time, what your audience likes, who to show your videos to, and how to grow your channel. If you don't start uploading, then YouTube has nothing to work with. Starting now gives the platform time to understand you. Point number four, your knowledge is valuable right now. Someone needs that knowledge that you have right now. A lot of people also often ask themselves, who will listen to me or who will watch my videos? Sometimes you quit before you even get started, but in reality, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. That's all that matters. Your experiences, your struggles, your journey, that's exactly what someone out there needs. So your voice matters now, not in the future. If you wait until you feel qualified, you may never start. Point number five. If you don't start now, you wish you started earlier. If you ask any successful YouTuber today, that's one thing they wish they did differently. The answer will always be, I wish I started earlier. They wouldn't say they wish they uploaded more or they wish they bought more equipment. They would just say they wish they started earlier. Now, I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is the reality. Your first videos won't be perfect, and that's okay. They don't need to go viral, they just need to exist. Nobody starts great. Everyone who is great today started small. So if you've been thinking, I mean, if you've been thinking, Stop thinking now. This is a sign that you need to create your own channel. You need to start your YouTube channel today. Start messy, start scared, start with what you have. Because 1 year from now, 1 year from now, you will thank yourself for starting today. Now, let me just briefly say this. I have watched a countless number of monetization videos here on YouTube. I can confirm or I can attest to the fact that people make cool money on YouTube. I can only imagine where I would have been if I had been posting consistently on this my channel. Understanding now that YouTube rewards consistency and not perfection is a lot to me, and I'm ready to put in the work. So just like I said, 6 months from now, I want to thank myself for taking the leap. So if you are thinking, I'm saying it again, if you are still thinking, stop thinking, start acting right now. Create that video, make that video, post it right now. If you are a small YouTuber like me, be consistent. Consistency pays off. Most of those monetization videos that I watched came from people that were consistent. People that never even thought that their content were good. People that never expected their channel to blow up, and yeah, it did. And they are making good money. So that was why I started by saying you have no excuse for remaining poor. Last year was bad and blah blah blah. Yeah, we know. Economic hardship, financial crisis here and there. But you have an opportunity to start now, to start again. What are you waiting for? Click that create channel button, upload your videos, and be consistent. So, on this note, I would like to appreciate my subscribers. If this video has motivated you in any way, if this video resonates with you, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because moving forward, I'll be providing tips that can help you grow your YouTube channel. I am not an expert, I am learning, and even as I learn, I'm always glad to share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.